this is Monty from Eyelash Flavor. I'm gonna start doing IGTVs twice a week, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and make sure you hit the follow button. So in today's video, I wanna talk about how your table setup should be. Sometimes I see people working out of a makeup box or just working directly out of a cart. That's really not what your table, that's not a table setup. That's not a sanitary workstation. Your workstation should first always be cleaned with a disinfectant wipe. And then next, you should place a paper towel on your workstation and set up your workstation as so. You should place a paper towel just as a barrier, a clean paper towel as a barrier, and you should place your clean instruments on your paper towel. You should always have a clean workstation. Your instruments and brushes and tools and whatever else you use, your tape, should not be placed on the bed or in a makeup box or on the pillow that your client is laying on. Everything should stay in a clean work area. You should make sure that you always use clean tweezers also with every client. You don't just clean your tweezers once a day. You clean them. First of all, you should have multiple pairs of tweezers. You shouldn't just be working with one pair of tweezer if you know you got 10 clients for the day. Usually, if you got 10 clients for the day, you should really have 10 pair of tweezers because you're going to be moving, back to back to back. And you're probably not even going to have that 10-minute break to soak your tweezers in barbicide or whatever solution that you're using. So you should always have multiple pairs of tweezers. Never use dirty tweezers on your client. You shouldn't be cleaning your tweezers with just alcohol. Your tweezers should just actually be soaking in barbicide or a disinfectant solution. So please leave feedback and tell me if you like this video or not, or give me some tips. If you think it should be set up a little bit different, give me some tips on how you set it up. And any topics that you would like me to cover, please leave a comment below. And remember to comment, like, share. Bye.